Hey everyone, Jess Wicks from Lighting Solutions. Happy Wednesday. So let's talk about some healthcare corridors. I know we've been doing the same designs over and over and over again forever, right? Recessed downlights, troffers, slots, coves. So I think it's like time for something different, don't you? How about this? So meet the Elle. Elle is one of the latest fixtures from Axis in their balanced care line, which is their healthcare line. And this is a wall mounted fixture. It has a curved light guide lens, and it's the first ever curved light guide in the industry. And with that curved light guide, you get comfortable, glare-free, asymmetric distribution. So imagine if you're a patient being wheeled down the hallway on a gurney, rolling under the recessed lighting would be really harsh and obnoxious, but you're not going to get that with the L. It's going to be nice and comfortable and glare-free. Check out the slim profile of this guy. It's ADA compliant, but fear not, it does have the integral driver. It's the integral Axis mini driver. It is 0 to 10 volt dimming standard, and lots of other options on that. So it's available in individual lengths up to 8 feet, and there's a hairline joiner for any continuously illuminated runs beyond the 8 feet. You also get these couple of cap options, which is wonderful, the flat end cap or the step end cap. Now I know that I love a good perimeter slot or cove as much as the next person, but we all know that the installation of those types of fixtures can be problematic. So check this out. This is how the L installs. There's basically a metal channel recessed into the wall, and this fixture just slides in and pops into place, and it leaves a secure and snug installation against the wall and the ceiling. So it's pretty easy to do, and it's also easy to maintain if you ever have to pull down a section. Um, so this is not just for corridors. It can really go anywhere that you have a wall to ceiling application and you want something a little bit different. It's constructed of materials and finishes that can withstand harsh cleaning protocols. It's IP64 and NSF2 rated, so it can really go in a ton of places. Besides that, it's really a beautiful and new way to look at your corners. So I hope you enjoy the L. If you have any questions at all, drop them below or ask your Lighting Solutions rep. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.